Hi guys, welcome to revision week 10 for grade 4. First question, divide and check your answer. 52 divided by 4 equals what? Let us write it. 52 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4 equals 1. It's 4. Subtract 1. Bring down 2. Now 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 0. So it's 13 without remainder, which is C. Second question, find 1588 divided by 7. So we have to divide 1588 by 7. 1 divided by 7 cannot be, so we'll take 15 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. Subtract equals 1. Bring down 8. Now it's 18 divided by 7 equals 2. 2 times 7 equals 14. Subtract equals 4. And bring down 8. So it'd be 48 divided by 7 equals 6. 6 times 7, 42. And remainder 6. So it will be 226, remainder 6. Third question, which statement about 5752 divided by 7 is correct? First, we have to divide 5752 divided by 7. 57 divided by 7 equals 8. 8 times 7, 56. Subtract equals 1. Bring down 5. Now it's 15. 2. 2 times 7, 14. 1. Bring down 2. So it will be 1. 1 times 7 is 7. And remainder is 5. Let us read the choices. First, the quotient is less than 800. It's wrong because the quotient is 821. There is no remainder. Of course, it's wrong because we have remainder. There is a remainder of 3. Wrong. Our remainder is 5. There is a remainder of 5. So this is a choice. D. Next, the smoke alarms in an office building need new batteries. Larry has 1311 batteries. Each office in the building needs 6 batteries. How many offices will get new batteries? How many batteries will be left? Let us divide 1311 divided by 6. 1 divided by 6 cannot be. 13 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract, which is 1, and 1 down. So it will be 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. Subtract equals 5. And bring down 1. So now it's 51 divided by 6 equals 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. Subtract equals 3. So we have remainder 3. So the answer will be yes. Number 5. In 8 weeks, a hair salon gave 1,536 haircuts. The salon gave the same number of haircuts each week. How many haircuts did the hair salon give each week? We have to divide 1,536 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 cannot be. 15 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, it will be 7. Bring down 3. Now 73 divided by 8 equals 9. 9 times 8, 72. Subtract equals 1. 6 down. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. No remainders. And the quotient 192. Next question. For each bracelet Jolly makes, she uses 5 green beads, 6 red beads, and 7 white beads. How many bracelets can she make? 1012 which are number of green beads, by 5. So it will be 1 divided by 5 cannot be. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract 0. 1 down. 1 divided by 5 cannot be. And 2 down. 12 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Subtract. So remainder is 2. For second one, we're gonna divide 998 divided by 6, which is number of red beads. So it will be 9 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. Subtract equals 3. Bring down 9. Now 39 divided by 6 equals 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. Subtract equals 3. Bring down. So it will be 6. And here 36. So remainder 2. Third one, we're gonna divide 1057 by 7. 1 divided by 7 cannot be. 10 divided by 7 equals 1. 7. So it will be 3. 5 down. Now 35 divided by 7 equals 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 0. And 7 down. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. So no remainder. Now if you notice, we have the quotient here is 202. The quotient here 166. And the quotient here is 151. But notice, she has to use 5 green beads and 6 red beads and 7 white beads to make each bracelet. So once she finishes one of them, she will stop making. So the least number here is 151 for white beads. So we have to choose 151 because once she finishes white beads, she will stop making more bracelets. Next, Jeff divided his 1,200 stamps equally among 7 stamp albums. Were there any stamps left over? If so, how many? Now we have to divide 1,200 divided by 7. 1 cannot be divided by 7. 12 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract will be 5. Bring it down 0. Now it's a 7. 7 times 7 49. 1 and 0 down. So it will be 1 7 3. So remainder 3. So of course we have remainder, which what? 3. The answer is B. Next, 96 students went on a school trip. They traveled by bus. Each bus carried 9 students. How many buses were needed in total for all of the students to attend the trip? We have to divide 96 divided by 9. 99 divided by 9 equals 1, and 6 divided by 9 cannot be, so put 0 and remainder will be 6. Now the answer is 10, remainder 6. So how many buses? We need 10 buses and 1 more for these 6. So it will be 11 buses. Next question. Free response question. Now let us fill in these boxes. Now 9 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, it will be 3. And bring it down 4. Now 34 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. And subtract, it will be 4. So remainder is 4. Next one. Use the area model to find 1,434 divided by 6. Use the numbers in the boxes to complete the area model and the equation. Numbers may be used once, more than once, or not at all. First one, he take 1,200 out of 1,434. This is one of multiples of 6. So 1200 divided by 6, of course 12 divided 6 equals 2, and you have 2 zeros. And here 180 divided by 6, so 18 divided 6 equals 3, and you have 1 0, so it's 30. And here we have 200s, and here we have 30. So 54 divided by 6 equals 9, and also we have 9. So the total will be 239. So 1436 divided by 6 equals 239. Thanks for listening.